If you want to translate language on ChatGPT app, this is how you could do it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, launch open ChatGPT app onto your device. After which, you could go ahead and explore options by tapping on the menu at the very top left, but you could find no such option as to change or translate language. So what you want to do is here, at the very bottom, you could see the chat box right there. You want to type in your language that you want to translate. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and translate this. You want to make sure to type in specifically as to translate in what language and select the arrow button. Here, this is going to translate it and you can see that this is the translation. So you could do the same thing with other language as well. This way you can translate language on ChatGPT app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.